ADHERE prototype program. Super excited to be sharing with you a little bit about myself. This application is for Boost VC. We're here in the workshop for ADHERE. It's a great space. This is where all the magic happens. We are currently developing IoT UVC smart luggage for the travel industry, as you saw in our application, and we are psyched to be doing it. We really think it's going to be a game changer and make a difference, not just in the current circumstances with COVID and coronavirus, but also in the future of paving the way for us to have IoT smart devices on us in a totally different capacity than the way we do now. We think it can really propel and take that travel experience to a whole new level, and I think that's what this is about. You know, really looking at the future and saying, what would I like to see in the future happen, especially with travel. The inspiration runs very deep within me. You know, as a diabetic since age 10, you know, I was the guy where they pulled out all my stuff and laid it on the table, everything exposed, collecting germs, and it was, you know, a sterile environment for me personally within my luggage, and it was no longer sterile, you know, in those circumstances. So I decided to make a difference with that and kind of say, okay, everybody has to be going through the same experience, and I think there's something here that can be changed. So we're really excited about applying to you guys. We think you guys have a lot of great talent on your team to bring to the table and really help us develop, you know, our model and really push it to the next level. We're thrilled to hear from you guys, and if you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. Thank you.